Hi, welcome to another episode of Cobbler and Coles. I'm your host, Mr. Tim. On today's episode, we're going to be covering a recipe that was requested by a friend of mine ever since he found out I was going to be working with cast iron Dutch ovens. We're making homemade cornbread. That's right, homemade, not that box mix. I have no problem with box mix, but by controlling what goes into it, we can make it either sweet or savory. We can add jalapenos in it. I'm sure we can do that all with the box mix, but I just like the homemade version a little bit better. Put a little bit of bacon grease in the bottom, get that sizzling up, and pour that in there. It's amazing. Stick around. Let's get cooking. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our dry ingredients, which is equal parts of the cornmeal and flour. We also have some baking powder, sugar, salt, all in here. I'll make sure to have all of the ingredients listed in the caption. So we go in with the dry ingredients. Now this is where my take is a little bit different. I have all of the wet ingredients in here. Now you can go with a little bit of melted butter, or you can go in with a little bit of oil, but it's got 2 eggs, milk, and in this case, but a little bit of a light olive oil. Does not change or impart any flavor, but I always like it. It adds something, in my personal opinion. I love the texture. So we're adding those two together and just giving it a mix. Now, in this case, normally when you're mixing in things together, you want to get them fully incorporated. But in this case, you want to just get it mixed together and set it aside for a few moments. We're going to put one of my favorite ingredients in here. And that's a little bit of bacon grease. Now that we got the bacon grease in there, we're going to pour all of this cornbread mixture into the bottom. This is where making sure that you have your Dutch oven as level as possible comes in handy. Oh, now that's beautiful. Now that's cornbread. Yeah. And there you have it. Made from scratch, cornbread in a Dutch oven over coals. What can be better? I do apologize that you can't join me for this, but maybe I'll save you a piece. I'll see you at the next campfire. If you haven't already, like and subscribe so you can continue to see videos like this.